Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Strategic Compass, which is a playbook for planning a successful digital marketing strategy. Digital marketing is not just about posting on social media or running ads. It is a journey and every journey needs a clear direction. The Strategic Compass helps us understand where we are, where we want to go, and how we can get there. It allows business to plan their digital marketing activity in a structured way and achieve measurable business results. SWOT analysis, drawing the map. Next, we move to SWOT analysis, which helps us translate analysis into strategic direction. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Strength and weakness are internal factors, meaning they come from inside the organization. Opportunity and threat are external factors, meaning they come from the market or environment. By combining these factors, we create four strategies. SO strategy use strength to take advantage of opportunity. WO strategy improve weakness by using opportunity. ST strategy use strength to reduce risk. WT strategy minimize weakness and avoid risk. SWOT analysis help business clearly understand their situation and make better strategic decisions. From vision to actionable matrix. In this step, we define our destination by moving from a high-level vision to actionable metric. First is vision, which shows what the organization wants to become in the future. Next are goals, which support the vision. Then we have objectives, which are specific and measurable targets. After that, CSFS and KPIs help us track success. Finally, metric and measure provide the data to monitor performance. The key insight here is that every digital marketing activity, even a single social media post, must support the overall business vision. Making strategic choice for growth. Now we focus on how we will get there by market core strategic choice. First is targeting, which means selection the right customer segment. Second is positioning, which is how we want customer to see our brand. Third is value proposition, which explain that make our brand unique. And finally, growth model, which show how the business plan to expand. Strategic is not about doing everything. It is about making smart choice and focusing on what matter most for growth. To conclude, the strategic compass help guide digital marketing from analysis to action by using SWOT analysis, setting clear goals, and making strategic decisions. Business can create effective digital marketing strategy that lead to real results. Thank you for watching.